Yes, hello friends and followers. This is Kamaa Comp operating online. For all your laptop computer issues, kindly inbox Kamaa Comp. You can Google Kamaa Comp on Google, search, contact and call the number. So this is Windows 7. We are going to install Windows 7 in this laptop. So let's keep follow and subscribe Kamaa Comp. This is how our partition looks like. So I'm going to set the operating system that is going to be installed. This is Kamaa Comp ready to install the operating system for Windows 7 Professional activated. So let's keep following Kamaa Comp for more updates regarding our computers and laptops. So this is Kamaa Comp. Follow online, subscribe now. So this is our hard disk. We are going to delete all of them and be able to partition the one that will be left.
What is going on here? Calm down.
Subscribe Kamaa Comp. We are going to partition this hard disk. So let's try and see how much partition will be required to install our operating system.
Make sure yes, I am done now.
So I'm going to delete it again. Also delete this one. Then this one. I just need a flight space of 100 GBs.
Now listen very good.
So now that is a spacing of 100 GBs. Let us format another one, this one. Make it another 100. So I have just choose to install, that is contain 98.0 GB, so that is almost 100 GB. So I have another one of 98.1, that is another 100 GB. So the rest one 269 GB, so that one can stay like that. So you can keep following, keep subscribing Kamaa Comp, installing Windows operating system. So our system is now ready to install.